Is your loyalty actually being rewarded? It's a question that hits home for anyone who's been with a service provider for years, only to see a sweeter deal being offered to a brand new face. We're talking about one of Canada's biggest telecom companies, Rogers, and the age-old debate, who really benefits more, the loyal customer or the new sign-up? Rogers is a giant, offering everything from mobile plans to internet, TV, and financial products like their MasterCards. And when you look at the landscape of promotions, the answer isn't always simple, but a clear pattern does emerge. Let's start with the new customer. Non-customers, or those willing to switch, often benefit from the most aggressive promotions. Why? Because the wireless and internet market is highly competitive, and providers fight tooth and nail to boost their subscriber numbers. This means we see fantastic new activation or win-back deals, deeply discounted initial months, huge data bonuses, or top-tier phones for essentially zero down. They're bait to get you in the door, often saving you hundreds in the first year alone compared to standard rates. Now, what about the Rogers customer? The one who has been paying their bill on time for 5, 10, or 15 years. The benefits here are less about flash and more about exclusive value tied to your entire relationship with the company. First, there are the retention deals. If you call in, express disappointment, and mention switching, Rogers' loyalty department often has unadvertised, great value plans, not the flashy public offer, but a solid discount on a premium plan that keeps you on the network. Second, the Rogers ecosystem provides major perks. For instance, if you're a mobile or internet customer, their Rogers Red MasterCards offer significant advantages. You can earn a higher cashback rate on all purchases, and then get a massive 1.5x bonus when you redeem that cash back against a Rogers bill, effectively giving you a 3% cashback value. This is a benefit exclusively for those who are already customers. Furthermore, Rogers mobile customers get exclusive travel perks like several roam-like home days at no cost every year, which can be a huge yearly saving for travelers. So, where does that leave us? The new customer often gets the immediate, eye-popping financial break, which is great for short-term savings. But the existing customer who takes full advantage of the entire Rogers ecosystem, their credit cards, their bundling options, and who is willing to negotiate with the retention team, is set up for long-term, compounding value. Ultimately, the one who benefits most is the informed consumer, the new customer who walks in knowing the deal they deserve, and the existing customer who leverages their loyalty for better rates and maximizes their non-mobile perks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.